In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to Hubspot. This process will take us about 5 minutes, and it's the perfect way to streamline your communications and customer relationship management. So whether you're team building remotely or enhancing your client meetings, integrating Zoom with Hubspot can take your coordination to the next level. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Hubspot website. If you're not already familiar with Hubspot, it's a powerful platform that helps businesses manage their operations from marketing to sales, customer service, and more. You'll see the login button at the top right corner of their homepage. Click on that, and you'll arrive at the login page. Now, if you use a Google account for your HubSpot operations, which many find convenient, click on the Sign In with Google button and simply choose your account from the list that appears. Here, HubSpot and Google will ensure your details are secured, so you just have to focus on managing your workflows efficiently. Once you're logged into HubSpot, direct your attention again to the top right corner of the page. There you'll see Marketplace. This is where HubSpot offers various integrations to connect all your favorite tools to the platform. Click on it. After entering the Marketplace, look for the Apps section. It's under this section that you'll find a range of applications that can integrate with HubSpot and enhance your productivity. Scroll through or use the search bar to find Zoom specifically. When you find Zoom in the list, click on it. This action will take you to a page that provides more information about what you can achieve by integrating Zoom with HubSpot. It's always a good practice to review any additional features or settings that applications may offer. Next, you'll want to click on Install App. This is where the magic happens. A pop-up will appear prompting you to sign into Zoom. It's crucial to use the Google account that you want to link with HubSpot. Choose your account and confirm your selection. With that done, the last step will have you verify some details. Select Continue, and then confirm any additional details like your age if required to finalize the connection between Zoom and HubSpot. And there you have it. Your HubSpot and Zoom accounts are now connected. It's that straightforward, enabling you to easily schedule, start, and join Zoom meetings directly within HubSpot. This seamless integration can save you time and keep all your communications in one place, allowing you to focus more on the conversations that matter to your business. If you found this guide helpful, please let us know in the comments below. We're here to make your digital life a little easier. Thanks for watching, and happy connecting.